What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about why grooming makes a difference. Hey guys, welcome back to Gent's Lounge. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. And today is a little grooming video. So a big part of fashion is not just dressing well, it is also your grooming routine. So I am obviously in desperate need of a haircut and a beard trim, but I kind of wanted to show you guys the difference that a haircut and a beard trim will make. So even, doing my hair like this, I can show you what my hair looks like done like this with it still way too long and still a little shaggy on the sides, and the beard's not quite as tight as it should be. So this is me literally straight out of bed, no product. I think a little product left over from the night before, but need to hop in the shower, and I just kind of wanted to show you that grooming is a big part of looking and feeling your best. So I'm gonna go get a haircut and then resume this video, and you will see kind of, the difference in the look and why grooming does make a difference. All right, guys, so I'm back post. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. I had to change my shirt because I spilt something on my other one, and I did not realize that the microphone was in my pocket the whole time. But my hair has grown out since then, and I wanted to give you the most authentic experience. So this is my haircut, exactly post haircut. So I told my barber not to style my hair so you guys can see how it looks straight from the barbershop, no product in it, no fixing, no nothing. And as you can see, it looks way better than my previous ungroomed hair. Even from the groomed perspective, I think it still looks better with nothing in it at all. So I just wanted to give it a quick style. I'm using Baxter's cream pomade for just a light hold and a light shine. It's just gonna keep everything in place. So grab a little dollop, give it a good rub. And you really wanna start with the back of your hair first. So you don't get too much product up front. It's just there to keep everything in place. And ooh, this smells really, really good. My barber trimmed up my beard a little bit. For the haircut, I told him just to take the sides down a little bit, leave a little more length on the top, and I just kind of let him go for there because I've been going to him for so long. And you really don't need much product, and you can see this looks phenomenal. And not much going on. I told him not to put a hard part in there or anything, so it's super natural. And I didn't do this with a mirror at all. I just was kind of winging it and hoped it looked good, and it definitely came out really, really good. So as you can see, guys, grooming does make a difference. Even my haircut with no product in it looks better than my hair did this morning. And once you put a little bit of product in it, it just comes right together. And that is the thing about a really good haircut, is you'll have to use less product and spend less time on it if you have a good barber. So really try to find a good barber in your area. I will try to link to a few down below that I personally go to in LA, and a few that I've been to around the country. So if you guys have a good barber or a barber that you go to, comment them down below so we can all be getting great haircuts and looking phenomenal. And guys, fashion isn't just about, dressing your best, it's also about looking your best. So a good haircut and a beard trim goes a long way. Once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Follow us on Instagram at Gent's Lounge. We are there every week talking about men's fashion and giving you guys some style inspiration. Our stories are also pretty fun, so give us a follow on there. And once again, guys, thanks for watching.